Fix Valorant WAN 185 connection error step by step. Step 1. Restart your PC. A simple restart often reinitializes Vanguard properly. Restart first and try launching Valorant again. Step 2. Start Vanguard manually. Press Win plus R to open run. Type services.msc and press enter. Find VGC in the list. If it's not running, right-click on VGC properties. Set startup type to automatic. Click Start, then apply OK. Restart your PC and launch Valorant. Step 3. Reinstall Riot Vanguard. If VGC doesn't exist or still doesn't work, press Win plus R, type appwiz.cpl, press enter. Find Riot Vanguard, right-click and uninstall. Restart your PC. Launch Valorant, it will automatically reinstall Vanguard. Restart again after installation. Step 4. Disable conflicting software. Some antivirus or security software might block Vanguard. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus firewall. Add Vanguard and Valorant to their exception list. Step 5. Run Valorant as admin. Right-click the Valorant shortcut Run as administrator. Also try this for Riot Client. Step 6. Check for Windows updates. Go to Settings, Windows Update. Install all pending updates and restart your PC. Step 7. Repair Riot Client. Open Riot Client. Click your profile icon, top right, Settings. Under Valorant, click Repair or check for updates. Wait for the repair process to complete, then restart your PC. Step 8. Update, reinstall network drivers. Press Win plus X Device Manager. Expand network adapters. Right-click your adapter update driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If issues continue, uninstall the adapter and restart to auto-reinstall. Check Secure Boot status for Vanguard. Vanguard may fail to initialize if Secure Boot is off. Press Win plus R, type msinfo32, press enter. Look for Secure Boot state. If it says off, go into BIOS and enable it if your PC supports it. Restart and try launching Valorant again. Step 11. Run System File Check. Corrupt Windows files may interfere with Vanguard. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type bash. Copy. Edit. SFC scan no. Let it complete and restart your system. Step 12. Make sure TPM 2.0 is enabled, Windows 11 users. Press Win plus R, type tpm.msc, press enter. If it says TPM is ready for use, you are fine. If not, enable TPM in your BIOS settings. Step 13. Use Windows Event Viewer for debugging. Press Win plus X Event Viewer. Look under Windows Logs System or Application for recent errors. Any error related to Vanguard, VGC, or Valorant may help narrow the root cause. Step 14. Create a new local admin user. Sometimes user profile permissions break Vanguard. Go to Settings, Accounts, Family, Other Users. Add a new local account with administrator rights. Log in with that user and try launching Valorant.